Passiflora maliformis. Excited about this one. I've grown it before. Beautiful flowers, beautiful vine. Love those seeds. This sweet Australian hybrid could be one of many. I don't know which one it's going to be, but either one, I heard really good things about it. Passiflora Cincinnati. Look at those awesome seeds. My God, that's cool. Passiflora guatemalensis. That is also one good looking fruit, and I hear it's super tasty. So once you put them on and you water them in, then they become pretty dark, and then I'm going to push them into the soil. Follow and like so you can see how these grow. Get them in there, get them in there, get them in there, get them in there, get them in there.